What is up, ladies and gentlemen of the Uverse? Welcome back to the channel. Today's adventure, we are going to hit the top of the world. Out here at EJS2021, been a great success, been a lot of fun. Can't wait. We're gonna try to do this one fairly quick because I've got an appointment tonight. Got a meet up at 6 p.m. back in Moab, and it is already 1 o'clock, I think. Yeah. So we're gonna try to knock this out fast. I'll just bring you guys along for the ride. Remember, if you like this stuff, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this beauty with your friends and family. Let's get to it. Cool old bridge across Colorado. Apparently it burned down. Just the steel superstructure remains. It is pretty out here. Gotta admit, it is pretty. So as you've probably guessed, we're at the trailhead. We're gonna get going on the top of the world. Now come passenger, slow. Passenger, keep coming, don't stop. There you go. Yeah.
Nice.
Nice one.
Good job.
It's actually a pretty impressive sight. That you get the bump and then it changes gears. Well, it's not good to change gears right when you got the bump.
Right.
So you just, and then it locks it in second.
So you got the slack shift.
We're here, top of the world, Ma!
We made it!
Top of the world, Ma! It's so fucking ugly. I don't recommend anybody come up here. You'd never get any of these views. It's just gonna be absolutely horrible. You know, it's gonna be cold, it's gonna be miserable. Everybody's gonna be grumpy. It's the last place you wanna go. Don't fall. Yeah, that's very long death. You'd have 5 or 6 seconds to regret that last step.
I would suggest the food out of it. That's a great idea.
Top of the world charcuterie. Charcuterie. I don't know, it's the word of the trip. Yeah, good eating.
Have one of these. Do you figure water had to be involved?
No.
How did they get there?
Oh, that's probably wind erosion.
Here, wait. Oh my god, no. That's too close.
There's the crew at the edge of the top of the world.
Back up. Please back up. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. I don't care. I'm not fine.
With a worried mother. A very worried mother.
Oh my god, you're giving me the worst anxiety right now.
Okay guys, so honestly this is going to be a bomb down the trail. Probably not going to record much, so we'll just end this video here. If you guys enjoyed this content, as always, hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your families. And I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to keep that shiny side up, that rubber side down. I'll see you out in the trails, up in the canyons. Peace. And there's a flex.
Flex is back here, brah.